When it comes to having a central team or central location to manage and drive various things across the organization, there is no other platform like Hybr that can help the Cloud FinOps team to have this central place where they can add, control, manage, give access to various departments and projects across the divisions while retaining the central place to control, adding cloud spend sources, managing different types of data source connections, or what level of access control to provide, and so on and so forth. Hybr is the platform that realizes this from the get-go. Hybr is built with this multi-tenancy and having this admin or infrastructure view as a central place, and then having every single organization or your departments and projects having that ability to log in and have their own view is really fantastic when it comes to how Hybr does it. For example, you can onboard various departments and such as HR, marketing, or sales, or engineering teams. The It's up to your custom context, how you drive various things in your company and organization. You can onboard teams or departments or business units into Hybr, and from then on you can add various data sources like the consumption uh, cloud providers. There may be some custom cost sources from your organization, whatnot. You can manage these centrally while onboarding your various teams across the organization, so that you can spread the shared accountability across these various teams and departments in your company. So after you onboard different companies or tenants, which could be your BUs or your engineering teams, and inside of those teams they can have multiple subscriptions to further classify their spend based on, maybe it's a dev test versus production, or it can be a project A versus project B. So there are multiple levels of categorizations you can do with Hybr, so that even though you are managing the data source, the rules, the cost allocation and whatnot centrally, when each of those teams, when the members from those teams log in, they get to see what they are supposed to see. So that's kind of giving the central administration as well as giving that shared accountability back to where it belongs. So if I am logging in as my tenant account, I get to see the consumption that my team, my business unit is having in cloud, depending on various cloud providers that my team is consuming from. In addition to that, the entire organization can collaborate by using inline annotations and comments from within this Cloud FinOps reports, so that there is a collaboration happening. There is the shared accountability is enabled through these type of mechanisms where various teams can collaborate from within this Hybr Cloud FinOps application. So having this central admin portal to manage, to onboard customers, data sources, cloud providers, with the ability to assign role-based access control to various teams and organizations from Hybr, from within the same single pane of glass control and management platform, is very powerful for Cloud FinOps practitioners.